Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Nth values. What is that? In simple terms, smallest values, largest values. Now we can use Excel's various functions in order to find, let's say, the 3 smallest values in a range, or how about the 3 largest? So let me show you how you do that. You can use arrays to return nth largest or smallest values from a set with a small and large range. Here we have the formula small, and we're going to look at B9, and with this pound sign, what does that mean? Well, that's the sequence we're looking for, and then the sequence D9. We have a range, and it's just some random numbers. Just hit F9, and you can see it's just random numbers. What are we asking? We want the nth smallest or largest, so we want the 3, in this case, smallest. In this case, we want the largest. In order to do that, it's very simple. We use small, which is find an array. We're going to look for, in this case, the sequence. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. That's what sequence does. Remember, 1, 2, 3, D9. If we went sequence 3, what happened? Well, sequence 3 is equal to 3 equals 1, 2, 3. We could type 1, 2, 3. We don't need to because the sequence essentially does that. And that's where it automatically will fill. We're searching this information here and we want it to spill over. So we use B9 in the pound sign in the sequence. And small basically says, give me the 3 smallest. We can go over and do the same thing with the largest. Give me the largest, B9 sequence, D9. Very simple, very straightforward. We can sum the nth smallest values. We can do a couple different ways. We can use it formatically. Sum, all we're taking is this structure here, small, and then going back over here and saying sum small. Or we can go sum, we could use sum equals sum point here, and we get the same answer. We can do the same thing. We can use this formula, or we can use sum. We can use average, or we can use average. In other words, we can go equals average, hit enter, get the same thing. Whatever you want to do. You have a couple different options. I always believe in keeping it as simple as possible. This sum sort of accomplishes the task.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.